The carburetor gasket creates a seal between the carburetor and the isolator. This gasket usually only needs to be replaced when the carburetor is removed for service. If the gasket is torn when it is removed, it must be replaced. A leak in the carburetor gasket will allow extra air into the cylinder. This will cause the engine to run lean, which will lead to scarring on the piston and cylinder. Replacing the carburetor gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now remove the screws that secure the air filter base and carburetor to the engine. Now install the new carburetor gasket. I align it with the isolator, then I'll place the screws that secure the carburetor and air filter base through the carburetor and insert them through the gasket and the isolator. Now I can secure the screws. And I'll finish up by replacing the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a new carburetor gasket on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.